Welcome back to Victoria's Kitchen, and today
All
we're
right, good
making
morning,
fried
guys.
plantain. You
Thank
need to
you.
try
Welcome back to
this
Victoria's Kitchen.
recipe
The
and
first
also
thing I'm
this
adding
method.
is
You will
my
love your
cayenne
plantain
pepper.
more than the way you do.
Cayenne pepper. Cayenne pepper. The next thing I'll be adding is a little bit of garlic. A little bit of garlic. My cilantro lime. Wow, even the smell while opening this is giving. It's giving. And put it right here too. Okay. Cinnamon powder. Cinnamon powder. Cinnamon powder. All these seasoning are natural seasoning and they are healthy seasonings. They are healthy. They are good for the body. Rosemary is also good. It's natural. And the flavor is pepper. But these I have to grind my black pepper in. I'll be right back. I'll grind the black pepper. So the next thing now is black pepper. So right now I've added my black pepper, as you guys can see. And I will be adding my salt. I'm just going to add a little bit. You don't need too much salt so that you will enjoy your plantain, or if you are doing it for a party, they will enjoy it. So you only need it. So right now I've mixed everything together. Onion. Meat. When you put onion in your oil, it will add some aroma and flavor. My oil is ready. So cooking to protect my flour. As you guys can see,
Thank
it's
you
falling on
everyone
it.
for
So
watching.
it's not a
Please
waste.
like and
Just make sure
subscribe.
you
God
don't let
bless
it
you,
get
and
too
see you
close
guys
to
in my
your
next one.
pot, and
Like,
also be
subscribe,
careful,
and comment,
it might
and
catch
see
fire.
you
So
in my
okay.
next one. Bye, and I wish you guys Happy New Year and welcome you guys to
Right now
2026.
plantain is ready, but I'm just gonna leave it for a few minutes to get more brown. If we need it to be that brown, you can leave it, and if this is okay for you, you can also take it out right now, but I'm gonna leave it for a little bit. So now I'll get it out. This is also ready. I'm gonna get this out too.